video tutorial, we will see how to print right angle number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here, in this pattern, the numbers are aligned in the right side. Here, the number begins with 5, then 4, then 3, then 2 and 1. Along with every number, a space character is appended. Let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable with 0 while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. So let's print the result. Print. In the first line there are 5 ones. I plus 1 is going to print 1, then it is going to print 2, then 3, 4 and 5. Along with every number, a space character is appended. Here, I plus 1 is a type of string. To avoid type error, concat it with string. Now here, in the first line, there are 5 characters, and those characters are gradually decreasing line by line. For that we are going to use 5 minus I. So save the file and run pytriangle.py file in the terminal. We can see we are able to print the required triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number right angle triangle pattern.